How to name your YouTube videos to go viral. The number one major thing that you need to know how to name your YouTube videos to go viral. You must to find a suitable keyword that people would like to watch from it, or whenever they see it, they would like to see what is going on it. 1. Name your YouTube video with the title How To. How To is very powerful in the search engine. Google search engine always have a easiest access on this title, How To. Number 2, what is this? People may ask, what is this guy showing or saying? When you name your YouTube title video like this, people or viewer would like to have something to see. Tutorial on how to. If you're a good teacher looking for a very dangerous or urgent viewers on your YouTube, use the word tutorial on how to. On how to calculate this formula, on how to calculate this in mathematics. 4. Top 10, top 5, top 3. The top 3 major banks in the world. The top 5 footballers, the richest 5 footballers, or the top 5 richest footballers in the world. 5. Do like this. People may think of what does this do like this is all about. Maybe a stylish, a dramatical event, or you are a tailor, anything that is dramatical. Use the title Do Like This. 6. Don't watch this. Some people are very stubborn. When you name any video title, don't watch this, that's the thing that they will rush to watch. So when you need urgent viewer in your YouTube, use don't watch this. 7. Must watch. Something like dancing, singing, or magical word, or magical event, something that very surprising, you can use the title must watch. 8. Most beautiful, most danced, most accurate, most anything that you think that is very wonderful or marvelous, use that title must and attract your viewers. 9. The untold story, the untold secret, the untold event that ever happens on earth. Use that title untold to convince your viewer to make your video to go viral. Number 10, listen to this. Listen to is very powerful keyword Google always looking for. When you name your video, listen to this. People, they would like to listen or to see what does that thing means. A writer or an actor that title or name his video, listen to this. They would like to watch it. 11. Where to? You may decide to write this keyword because people are looking something that they will search or do research on. Do your little research, anything that demands people to look some little information about it, that something that is not even real, and you want to make video about it, make it to have the title where to. Number 12, learn about. You may decide to tell stories about your life so that people they will like to hear from it. People they will learn so many things about it. Title any story that or any technological event, a technological thing, technological discovery. Title your video learn about. For more tips and video like this, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that whenever new tips arrive or I drop, you have an alert